Today is the moment we all have been waiting for.
You guys might have seen it in the background of videos. Waiting, lurking, just sitting there, watching. It used to be this old, ugly, forgotten thing, but now it's different. It's dark, it's stronger. It is the DATSUN.
That's right, ladies and gents, the DATSUN is painted. And today we're finally making a video about it. A couple months ago, my dad and I dropped the DATSUN, off to Gerber to be painted. My dad decided on the color. He really liked the wheels that we got for the car, and we decided to match the center caps of the wheels to the color of the car, or really the color of the car to the center caps of the wheels. So Gerber did some body work, color matched the center of the wheels, and painted the DATSUN. The reason why this video has been taking so long is that we've been waiting on some chrome pieces to be restored, so we could put those on for this video and have it looking even better. So, without any further ado, let me show you the DATSUN with brand new paint and some brand new chrome. Enjoy. The Ridge. The Ridge is a minimalistic front pocket wallet that's designed to streamline what you carry every day. It's small, it's sleek, it's strong, it's stylish, and it's unique. It comes in aluminum, titanium, and carbon fiber. There's a lifetime warranty. If you don't like it, you can return it. It's just a better way to carry your cash and cards. And 30,000 5-star reviews confirms it. You wanna know what's awesome? You guys can get 10% off with free worldwide shipping and returns by going to ridge.com/Gingium and use code Gingium. Link in the description below. Now, there are a couple things to be said. It looks awesome. It fits the car perfectly. We wanted to go something that was kind of classy, was kind of simple, not too out there, but also looked really good. So metallic gray, that's a no-brainer. As you guys know that I love gray. I'm gray, black, white, good colors. The paint is a 3-stage paint, which means there was a base coat, a layer of the sparkly stuff, and a clear coat. It looks incredible. I have never seen a car with brand new paint, and it's unreal. It makes all my cars with nice paint, like Molly, look like they're 30 years old and have 30-year-old paint, which they do. Now, obviously, we already installed the chrome, the windshield, and the side markers, and the windows for that little cinematic. But I recorded that process, so let's go back in time a little bit to installing the new windshield and all the chrome and getting that looking awesome. All right, so we hopefully have all the weather stripping for at least what we want to do today. And then we got the chrome that's redone, and we got the glass. I want to see this chrome. Oh, wow.
That's the one part that got dinged.
But the actual finish is amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks really good. Okay. We obviously wanted to keep a lot of the chrome on the car. We were having troubles originally finding a person to do chrome, because actually real chrome plating is illegal in some states. We were gonna get everything powder coated chrome, but after talking to a bunch of powder coating places, they pretty much say, there's a chrome powder coat, but it's not that great, and in order for it to sit outside, you have to clear coat it, and clear coating it makes it less chromy, and it just doesn't look like real chrome. So my dad found this guy in Indiana that I guess does real chrome. Ooh, that looks really nice.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, that looks awesome. looking like a real car again with the windshield on there. The windshield was really a huge pain to get put together because every single thing you see is a separate piece. This is a separate piece from this, which is a separate piece from this, which is a separate piece from that, and a separate piece from this, and the metal, and that seal, and literally everything you have to put together, and it fits pretty well. It's just one of those old car things. They didn't want to have one piece of glass that goes on the outside for some reason. A much more logical solution, but I guess this looks kind of cool. So anyway, that is the windshield put in. Now we're gonna work on the corner vents, which are these bad boys. These have the entire window goes in and out, so that will be another process. Now I have to do it again. So when my dad was originally taking apart the actual doors on the window of the vent, he snapped this stud that holds the window in on the other one because it was rusted out. And he just kept cranking and you know, rookie mistake. That's cool, that's cool. So right here you can tell this used to be one bolt and then it snapped. So I'm just going to weld it. These threads don't need to be used. Only the threads after this nut are used. So I can just tack that together. See, the thing about working on an old car compared to like these normal cars, if you break something on an old car, it's usually really expensive to replace because they just don't make them anymore. For instance, we could not find any replacements for just that piece, but in order to replace the entire window, it was like a couple $100. So just gotta weld it. Old pieces of metal that hold in the weather stripping that separates the door from the windshield, and they look kind of bunk. You can't see them from the outside, but you can see them from the inside, so I'm just gonna sand them up and give them a spray of some black paint. You know, what's funny is that literally right before I cut myself, I was like, if this slips, I'm gonna cut myself. So I moved my thumb up a little bit, but obviously I didn't move it up enough. Sliced off the tip of my thumb, lovely. Very painful, still hurts, but I got it work. So where'd that bloody, it cut so fast, didn't even get blood on it. All right. All right, we got an update on a couple of things. Number one, door glass is in on this side. It looks really great. It fit perfectly. It's nice and, you know, going up and down there. Now the one problem is that my dad purchased 2 driver's side door glasses. The problem with that is that this rail here is facing the wrong way. So instead of just scrapping this perfectly good window, I'm gonna chop them off, flip them around, and re-weld them. Other cool things we did, we got the trunk weather stripping in, so that's all nice and it just clicks in super nicely. We also got the door weather stripping in, so that's all pretty good. We might have to take this door weather stripping out to get some plates down in there. I don't really know, but we wanted to see if it fit either way. And then of course we got that little mirror in. So guys, that is the DATSUN all painted up with some new chrome. Now obviously, that's not all the chrome, that's not all the trim pieces. We have a bunch more stuff at the chrome shop being re-chromed. And we have some more things that are getting painted. Now we are gonna be taking a little bit of a pause from the DATSUN build. The thing is that it is winter now, and we can't drive this car in the winter. We were hoping to get it finished before fall, but that obviously just didn't happen with the amount of time that paint took and the amount of time that the chrome is taking. So with that being said, there are other projects that I can work on that I can use during the winter, like the all-wheel drive swap of the Rally Miata. So we are gonna be focusing on those. So we're gonna put a cover on the DATSUN, let it sit in the shop for a little bit. It's a little sad, but once we get back to work on it, we'll just bang it out and get it all done in a couple of weeks, and it'll be awesome. Really, the only thing that is left to do on the car, we have to do all the wiring, which is gonna be the worst. You know, wiring the gauges, wiring the lights, turning those blinkers, all the, like the engine stuff, all the engine wiring, that's already done. So we'll do all the wiring, we will do all the interior, we'll do all the trim, the lights, and it'll be done. And then maybe someday we will do some performance mods. ITBs, cams, Mega Squirt. Either way guys, that is it for this video. I do hope you enjoyed. Sorry it took so long. I know a lot of you guys already knew what color it was. You've seen it in the videos, but hopefully you enjoyed nonetheless. If you did, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you want to support the channel, which I would really appreciate, go head over to Patreon. You guys can get some cool perks, and yeah, you help support the channel. All the earnings from Patreon go straight back in the channel, whether it's getting parts for cars, getting tools, getting camera equipment. It is incredibly helpful. So thank you guys. And that's it. Have a great day. Peace out and goodbye.